Good morning, welcome Sham Stars. In human health and diseases, today we will talk about bacterial diseases. In previous presentation, we have already studied diseases can be divided broadly into two categories depending on the modes of transmission. Infectious diseases which easily transmit from one person to another. Non-infectious diseases which cannot. So children, here in this presentation, we are going to discuss infectious diseases caused by bacteria. In this presentation, we will talk about typhoid, pneumonia and dysentery. Typhoid fever is caused by a type of bacteria called Salmonella typhi. This is not the same bacteria that cause Salmonella food poisoning, but the two are related bacteria. Salmonella typhi enters the small intestine through food and water contaminated with them and migrate to the other organs through blood. Intestinal perforation and death may occur in severe cases. Vidal test is a confirmation test for typhoid. Symptoms are high fever around 39 to 40 degrees Celsius, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache and loss of appetite. Now let's discuss another disease, that is pneumonia. The most common cause of bacterial pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumoniae. The other causes include Mycoplasma pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. These bacteria infect alveoli of the lungs. The alveoli get filled with fluid causing disease in respiratory efficiency of the lungs. Pneumonia spreads by inhaling droplets or aerosol from the infected individuals or even by sharing glasses and utensils with the patients. Symptoms of pneumonia are coughing that may produce mucus, fever, sweating or chills, shortness of breath and chest pain. Now we are going to discuss another bacterial infectious disease, that is dysentery. It results from bacteria called Shigella. The disease is called shigellosis and about 5 lakh people in the US get it every year. This is intestinal infection and in this case large intestine loses its ability to reabsorb water and essential minerals. People may experience pain in abdomen, blood in stool, inability of empty bowel, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, dehydration of the body, fever and weight loss. So children, this is all about infectious diseases caused by bacteria. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about some more infectious diseases caused by other pathogens. Thank you, Sham Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.